Hello, my name is Ethan Selinger. I currently work here at Northeastern University as a co-op advisor, and I'm really looking forward to taking this class. So, a little bit about what I like to do in my free time. I'm a big sports fan, big Boston sports fan. I am from this area, so very excited with the Red Sox win over the weekend. And I just really get into the games. I also am a big gym rat. I like to call myself. I take part in obstacle races such as Spartan races a few times a year. I actually have one this weekend, so I am currently preparing for that. Uh, you know, in this class, I think what I really hope to accomplish is, I really want to continue to build on my abilities to coach people and on my leadership competencies. Uh, so working in my role actually as a co-op advisor, uh, part of what I do is actually a big chunk of what I do is work one-on-one with students to help coach them on best practices regarding job searching, in this case for a co-op and internship, how to handle multiple job offers, how to, utilize your own values to understand the type of work you hope to do and what what would make you happy. And I do think coaching, in other words, is a big role or a big part of what I do in my role. So, beyond just, coaching peers or coaching, people that I manage, for example, or lead, I want to take a lot of what I learned in this course, hopefully, and even just apply it to my coaching, my career coaching with students, um, which I do think is a really good opportunity for me. As I mentioned, I'm a co-op advisor here at Northeastern University in the College of Computer and Information Science. So my role, there's three parts to it. Part of it is the one-on-one advising, career coaching that I mentioned. I also do teach a one credit prep co-op internship prep course, really developing resumes, networking, interviewing, just kind of best practices for approaching a job search. And I also do a lot of employer relations in my role, so developing jobs or developing co-op internship job opportunities for students. A lot of that requires building relationships with external employers. So I do have, those are my three major aspects of my role, and then there are, other pieces as well. Um, like I said, I think if I can really gain additional leadership competencies, and really build on what I've learned to this point, it can really play a huge role in my work. Thinking about my online classes that I've taken, I think just really being strict by creating a strict schedule, really understanding, I need to get something done by a certain point and really planning out ahead of time, not saving it to the last minute. So it really takes organization. The online classes I've taken that I've done the best in, I think I've been able to really organize myself and understand, what needs to be done and when. So very important. I actually do also teach an online class right now in conjunction with my in-person seminar. So I actually do see the best practices my students have, and I really do try to keep them on track and practice what you preach. So same idea here. The picture I'm going to attach as well is a picture of my fiance and myself adopting our cat, which really great cat, really really love him like a son. I don't have any children, at least not yet, so I have my cat, and it was a really great moment for us. So I did want to attach that as the family photo. Once again, really look forward to working with all of you and Professor Mitchell and really developing, like I said, developing competencies and building on my knowledge. I think it'll be very helpful for me in my current role and even, as I move up in my career. Thank you.